My name is Grant Newton. I'm the Head of Daycare Services for Alzheimer Support in Wiltshire. We are currently in the Mill Street Club in Trowbridge. It's one of 3 clubs we have, one in Warminster, one in Devizes. They are very vibrant, happy places, very engaged places aimed at supporting people with early to mid-stage dementia, primarily Alzheimer's. So people come here for a whole day out, carers get a whole day off. The atmosphere and the environment is everything. You know, it's about 95% of what we do. It is basically a very loving one. People are welcome here, they're our friends. Although we deal with dementia isn't a factor on the day. It's people. You know, people come along. It's Betty, it's Leslie, it's whoever it is that's in on the day, and we respect them as individuals, actually in a truly friendship sort of way. Apetito have been, for the charity, absolutely amazing, and for the clubs, we've got a really strong relationship, and it's been going on for quite some years now. It's particularly special to know that we've got a relationship with the community we serve, and the people that work at Apetito are our community. So, you know, they make a massive difference to all of us. I mean, to have somebody like Apetito financially supporting us just helps us stay alive. To have somebody like Apetito, as I said earlier, who is an integral part of our community and understanding what we do, that makes it just extra special.